Okay, so now we've got WordPress set up. Unfortunately, our website looks kind of dull. So the first thing we'll do is pick a theme for this site. And the easiest way to do that is actually from your dashboard. Under Appearance, there's actually a selection for themes. So let's go there first. And right now it tells you that your current theme is the WordPress default theme, and it gives you some themes that are kind of built in from SiteGround. Okay, so SiteGround provides some of these themes. They're all free and they're preloaded in here, and you can always simply select one of these and it will load up that theme. But I wanted to show you how to find a theme if you didn't want to use one of these that are built in. By the way, you can also delete these themes and just save some space and declutter this background. So how do you do that? Well, you just select the delete button, click OK, and WordPress will actually take care of that for you. And now your theme, the one that I just deleted, is gone. It's really that simple. But what do we do when we want to find a new theme? Well, we can actually go to Manage Themes, click on Add New, and we can do a search. And there's actually a filter here, so you can find a theme depending on what particular features you want. For example, if you have a preference for a certain color, if your company, for example, likes to associate itself with a certain color, or your organization does, then you can do that here. So you can select orange and it'll look for themes that are focused on that color. Similarly, you can choose how many columns you'd like. So just for the sake of getting a theme real quick here, let's go ahead and select 2 columns, and let's go ahead and select fixed width, and I'll explain that later, but that basically means that as people drag the corners of the browser window, your theme stays one size. Makes things a lot simpler in the beginning if you're new to the web. And of course, over here we'll just leave this blank because we're not quite sure what we want yet. We just want to browse around. Okay. If you happen to want to do photo blogging, this is a good selection here because WordPress wasn't designed really in the beginning for doing a lot of media, handling a lot of media, but over time a lot of people have developed cool tools to let you do that. So if you're interested in photo blogging, make sure you click that button. In this case, we're just going to leave that off. We're going to go for a standard 2-column format, and let's go with a left sidebar. Okay. All right. And now we click the Find Themes button. Okay, right here. And notice that you can also search for themes based on keywords. All right. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and click Find Themes. And WordPress came up with some themes for us. These are 2-column themes that are fixed width with a left sidebar. I don't actually like any of these, so I'm going to search again. I'm going to go back over here to the search, and I'm going to leave all of this blank, and I'm just going to find some themes. And there we go. This is a much better selection. And I'm going to go through here and take a look. Now let's say you see something that you like. For example, let's say that I like this theme. I can actually click this preview button, and in the browser window I'll be able to play around in this theme a little bit to see if I like it. And if I don't, I can just click the X button and I'm back to my page. So I'm going to keep searching here, and this looks pretty interesting actually. This is has a really nice look to it. I like it for a lot of reasons. Let's take a closer look at this. So yeah, so this is very nice. It has a search feature right at the top here, and navigation's nice and simple, horizontal navigation, and has a featured area here for articles, and then it has several heading elements, so that's nice. And yeah, this theme looks pretty good, and we might change this later on, but just so we get started, let's go ahead and pick this theme. And here's how you install it. You just click this install button, okay, and that's it. WordPress does everything for you. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and activate it. And now it tells us that our current theme has been changed to this theme, this Antes News 1.9. Okay? So let's take a look at our site. Remember that this is what the old site looked like. If I refresh the browser, it will update to the new theme. Let's go ahead and do that. And there we have it. Let's do that one more time. Let's go back here. Let's click on Add New. And let's do Find Themes. And let's pick up one more theme. Here's one that I really like, My Mag. Let's preview that. This is pretty nice. It gives you a nice little area here where you can put a tagline and also upload your own logo if you want to. It has an RSS button, which is nice, an email icon, which is also nice so people can contact you, and a nice search bar. And it also has a featured category area here and some recent news items, which is nice to have. The colors are very neutral. It's a nice bright look, and the categories pop out in these nice call boxes. So this is really nice. Alright, let's go ahead and choose that theme. So we're going to click Install, Install Now, and Activate. Once WordPress confirms the installation is complete, let's go ahead and refresh our browser. And there you go. There's our new theme. Now it's a little empty right now because we don't have any articles in here, but once we load up some articles, it'll look really good. Alright, so that's how you manage themes in WordPress. Now you can get themes that are professionally made, and that's what we'll cover in the next chapter. But these are the free themes that come on board with WordPress. You don't have to spend any money on these themes, and if you spend some time looking through them, you'll find some great themes. In the resources article, I've listed about 10 different places you can go to get really great themes for WordPress. So you're not stuck with these themes. But this is a good place to start, and it's certainly easy to install using the built-in WordPress installation. And in the next video, we'll cover where to buy themes if you want a more professional custom theme.